Hi, this is test 1 for using our remote controller with a customized IR receiver. Okay, and for our remote control we have the LED, the IR and the RF. So this combine the IR and RF into the one remote control. Okay, so let's do the demo. So the first demo will be our remote control with customers IR receiver dongle here, like this one. Okay, let's go. And of course this is using in VRA system. So we just try the some key. Okay, see. So because at this time IR and RF will send the same time simultaneously, so you don't care about if your IR is dead or not, or if there's no IR receiver in this machine. Okay. Okay, so this is test 1, and for the test 2 will be later. Okay, later today. Thank you.